In the last video, I asked you to leave a comment about my idea to build in a cup heater inside the table, and according to that, I haven't decided yet. We can move to left or to right. Maybe here or maybe here. Now is okay. I can't measure by millimeters, I just trust to my eyes. "27 centimeters or about 11 inches. Previously, I drew all lines and placed everything like that. Here is cooling system, pump, motherboard, power supply, 4 cup heater, 4 OLED strips. Today, I don't think that we need DVD-ROM, but we will have something better. For example, USB, which is moving out. I wanted to place something else inside, but we don't have enough space. All surfaces where we're gonna place stiffeners are polished for better glue contact. It looks like that. All places after cutting out, engraving and milling are covered by protective varnish and of chipboard, and all of these get polished and covered by varnish thoroughly for several times to make it stronger and prevent crumbling. And also, as we know, chipboard can be destroyed easily by absorbing water, especially if you spill water or some liquids by mistake. We add an extra protective varnish layer to keep the table safe for a long time. Here in this part of the table, power supply and hard drive, and they gonna get cooled by airflow from this channel. Hey guys, look at that cutouts. Do you know what is it for? You know, no anyone among my friends can guess and tell me the right answer from the first try. But if you know, let other people to know in comments below. In this part of the table are going to be wireless charger, and all components are the same: motherboard, a graphic card, LED strip we're gonna place somewhere else, window for airflow. A graphic card is going to be attached by piece of aluminum in this way. For this part of a video card, for mounting bracket, we have done milling and cutting out in the table, and you simply insert it, tie it up with screw and here, and it won't move in any direction. We have decided to remove this back panel at all because here is a tabletop, and if you want to keep it, we have to cut out in the tabletop extra 6 or 7 millimeters. Also, we have to cut out a line close to motherboard, about 4 millimeter. And in this case, this part of the table is gonna be so weak, and we're gonna lose the strength. And the stiffener is interrupted here. But anyway, we are able to insert it if we're gonna cut out from each side couple millimeters. But anyway, we have decided to get rid of this back panel, because if we keep it, we have to increase the thickness of the table, and it's gonna be 6.5 centimeters instead of 6. As we promised for you, now we are sharing what we have done after designing this smart table. And we face to the next goal. We have to combine hardware all together and organize it inside properly. And we have to work on the beauty, especially facing of the table. Also, we keep in mind what we have to do with legs. Of course, I got some ideas, but I don't like it. I don't find this beautiful or interesting because it's very simple. Moreover, we would like to have adjustable legs, not motorized. So you lift it up, tighten it up, and legs retain certain level. The construction of legs is going to be a bit difficult because wires come through, because the leg is expanding. Technically, I can imagine that, but how to do this exactly, I don't have any ideas yet. Of course, we will resolve this problem, and after 7 or 10 days, we will share with you what we have done, what we have designed. So stay tuned.